Hey everyone, I saw this post on Facebook yesterday and it just really brought things to mind for me, especially in the month of June. This is what they said. Someone help me please. I keep seeing comments about all your Facebook parties and how people are booked up all the time for months ahead and you're all hosting multiple parties at once. How do you get bookings? Because I'm struggling to find my hostesses. Well, do you feel her struggle? We've all said those words at one time or another in our direct sales business, right? And with some of us still struggle, okay? It is a struggle sometimes to get bookings. However, it's easy to say to somebody, well, just get out there and ask, right? Because it's really hard to ask, to actually do the ask and feel those rejections, right? And that's really why most of us struggle to get bookings. We struggle because we don't want to ask. We don't want to be rejected, okay? We just don't want to have that feeling. And that's why I created my online mini workshop called On Your Mark, Get Set, Book. It's kind of like that British baking show, which is On Your Mark, Get Set, Bake. So I want you to get ready to be on your mark and really be able to get those bookings. So today from this online workshop, I'm going to give you 2 tips, okay, to help you get over those struggles. So the first tip is you have to do the work, okay? If you really want to get bookings, you really have to do the work. And what does that mean? Doing the work means, yeah, you have to get out there and network and meet people and build relationships with people. Private appointments, set up private, people don't really know much about you and your product, so set up a private appointment, get to know them, build the relationship. I do a lot of private appointments and my goal is to convert them to a booking, okay? Work with your VIP group and giving value to them and letting them know you do fantastic parties. Build the relationship in that VIP Facebook group. It's a great place to be able to build relationships. And the fourth one is spend 15 minutes a day. Just take 15 minutes and reach out to customers, past hostesses. Just make sure every day you're reaching out to someone. Again, building the relationship, that's all it takes, because these are all the common denominators in these tips. It's building relationships. When you build relationships with people, that's when you will have no qualms about asking for the booking, okay? You will feel really good about it, and especially if they say no, you'll know it's just not the right time for them, okay? So the second tip, which you'll learn in my mini workshop, is investing in you. Well, what does investing in you look like? It's about learning the skills of asking. Yeah, this is a learned skill. I mean, I remember my sponsor said to me when I first joined, Gail, you will ask everyone if they want to book a party when you have your party. Ask everyone. I said, everyone? Yes, everyone. So I learned that skill. And when you learn that skill by investing in you, you are going to feel so much more confident in asking for the booking. Okay? So are you prepared to put in the work? Are you prepared to invest in yourself? If you really want to get over that struggle of getting bookings, that's what it takes, okay? Because your self-assurance grows when you're just willing to step up, okay? And find ways to get the results you're looking for. Get over those struggles like that girl was talking about. She can't find hostesses. It's just learning those skills and stepping up to the plate and doing those actions that's going to help her get there. So if you're prepared to do the work and invest in yourself, I suggest you click the link below and find out how you can overcome that struggle yourself, that feeling that nobody wants to book a party with you, okay? And when you do, you're going to be getting this special for the month of June is my free planner. My free direct sale planner comes with everyone who invests in this mini workshop, along with some really fantastic summer tips. So are you ready to do the work? Are you ready to invest? Click the link below and have a great day.